Hi guys, and welcome to the educational live trade analysis video for today. Please note this video is only for educational purpose and it does not contain any investment advices. Okay, so this is a trade what I've taken today on this particular chart setup. So as you guys can see here, we are on a short sell side of this particular trade. So I am assuming that there might be a decline in the price what we are seeing right now. So as you guys can see here, according to my study and the strategy, I do feel that there might be a decline in the price here till the next support level. So let's see how the price will perform. So you can see here the price is gradually going down and you can see where I have kept the target. So let's see if it goes till there, and once the target hits, I'll just take my exit and I'll update you guys. Okay, so this is a trade what I'm doing according to my study and the strategy, and we are trading without any indicators. So guys, I'm a trader with 10 years plus of experience, and if you guys wish to learn the skills from me and want to improve your trading skill and knowledge, you can contact on the number displayed on the screen through WhatsApp and get more details on the education. Okay, so guys, yes, now as you guys can see, the price has come down and it has given the target. And now let me explain you briefly a bit about how I've taken my entry today, and later you can see the price has also taken a support once it has given my target. So now let me tell you a bit of analysis of how I've traded on today's particular chart setup. Okay, so as you guys can see here, this is a place where I've taken the short sell entry, and this is where I kept my stop loss, and this is where I kept my target. So you can see almost 1:2 risk reward ratio was followed here, and we can see that the target has been achieved here. Okay, so now you can see this was a range what it was range bounded from previous day. Okay, so if this range would have given a breakout on the top in the morning itself, that it would have been a buy trade and the price would have been increased. But you can see here the downtrend what it was there. So this low point gave a breakout towards the downside, and that's the reason I have taken the short sell entry. And we can see here the target has been achieved, and later we can see it has touched the support level what we had here on the previous days. Okay, so this was a support level what it has touched today, later in the day after giving my target. And once this support level was touched, you can see how the price has reversed and gone up, and again it has touched this resistance level what we had recently, and from there it has reversed back again. So this is how the price has performed today. Okay, so you need to have a right method and right chart analysis technique to find out the right entries and exit in the trade. Okay, so anyway, if you guys are beginner or if you guys are looking to improve your trading skill and knowledge, you can contact me on the number displayed on the screen through WhatsApp, and I'll be guiding you guys about how you can find out right entries and right chart analysis knowledge like this. Okay, so I thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you guys in the next one very soon.